Hi, this is Sean Overton with ForexNews.com and OneStepRemove.com. In this 5-minute video, we're going to discuss the ZigZag indicator, which is one of the default indicators that comes in your Metatrader 4 platform. If you don't already have a free MT4 demo account, you can get one from Awanda by clicking the link directly below this video. The ZigZag is an excellent tool if you're looking to trade chart patterns like Fibonacci retracements, Elliott waves, or any kind of pattern that uses the concept of a swing high or swing low. A swing high is essentially the highest high among a set of bars. Take this chart on the screen, for example. You can see that before the price shot off in a strong trend, there was a retracement down to this point. The low point is what traders call the swing low, and the high points along the way are what traders call a swing high. The zigzag applies to the chart like any MT4 indicator. Go to the navigator window on the left and click the plus sign next to custom indicators. Scroll to the bottom, or you can just pick one and then push the Z on your keyboard, and the zigzag is at the end of the list. Drag and drop the file from the list onto your chart. You'll see a screen pop up like this. Don't worry about the settings. I'll get into that once you have the basic concept down. Push OK. The first thing you'll notice are all these lines all over the chart. They're peaks and valleys that the indicator automatically detects as swing highs and swing lows. Many a novice trader looks at this indicator and wonders if this is the Holy Grail. The highs and lows are perfectly drawn 100% accurately on the graph. Before you get too excited, the zigzag cannot predict the highs and lows in advance. Nothing about this indicator makes predictions. In fact, this indicator repaints. Do you see this high here on the chart? Well, the zigzag started drawing the high here. Then this high was made. The zigzag deleted that point and said, oh no, the new high is here. Every time the market makes a new high, the zigzag deletes its last drawing and replaces it with the higher high. Again, I'm only saying this to highlight that the indicator does not make predictions. The power of this tool is that it consistently draws highs and lows in the same way. Fibonacci traders can use historical moves to draw extension and retracement lines only between the points that the zigzag identifies. You'll find that two Fibonacci traders rarely agree on where the swing high and swing low happened. If any of those points differ, then of course the retracement and extension lines also differ. In fact, it might even be you, the same trader, that draws different Fibonacci lines on the same prices. Let's look at this chart and say that both traders agree that this point forms a bottom. Trader 1 may argue that this point up here is the top because he prefers long-term setups. Trader 2 might say, well, these are interim swing points and that's what he wants to focus on because he's a short-term trader. Using a zigzag line adds consistency to your trading, which is essentially using a zigzag line adds consistency to your trading, which is essential for removing mistakes and evaluating performance. If the line draws the same way on every occasion, then you can analyze entries on retracements to improve entry and exit points. The starting point is to find zigzag settings that match what you would draw as a discretionary trader. If you think these lines are too aggressive, then you can change the settings by right-clicking on the chart and choosing Indicators, then Zigzag. Click on Edit. The depth input is the one you'll most likely want to change. Its default is 12. If you want something slower, that would require a bigger number. Putting in a number like 25 makes the chart draw like this. Some of the lines that were on the chart earlier have disappeared. The action is more smooth, although there are fewer swing highs and lows identified. Finding the right combination will depend on your experience as a discretionary trader. I hope that you found this to be a useful introduction. Again, if you'd like to get a free demo account, you can get one for free by clicking the link below this video.